Power LED Plus. Seeing what others might miss. With the Power LED Plus light source, the color spectrum can be individually adjusted. To visualize fine tissue structures and enable high-resolution contrast viewing, yellow and blue can be mixed as needed. Phototoxic exposure can be reduced thanks to low light intensity settings. 3 user-defined color settings can be conveniently controlled via the foot pedal for quick light adjustments without losing focus. The double light source with Power LED technology features a long service life of 5,000 hours. Power LED Plus. Seeing what others might miss.